Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox keyboard input lag. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox keyboard input lag, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll search about Roblox. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Here you can know how to fix your problems on keyboard input lag. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.